What's up guys, welcome to this video. In today's video I want to quickly show you how you can fix 500 internal server error in Google Chrome. That's the topic of today's video, so just stick around if you're interested in it. But before we start right into the topic, I would really like to mention something. You guys would certainly make my day if you could leave a like, comment and subscribe to my small little channel. It would mean a lot to me, so thank you very much. But let's start right into the topic, what you need to do in order to fix this issue. First of all, I would suggest you to just open your Google Chrome. And then on the top right corner, click on the three dots here, and then head over to settings, third thing from the bottom. And then when you're in the settings, change over to privacy and security. And here, click on the first thing here in privacy and security, clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, cache and more. Click on this and then change over from basic to advanced. And here for the time range, first of all, make sure to use all time. And then what's very important is to clear the cookies and other site data and to clear the cached images and files. The other things also make sense, but if you don't want to delete your browsing history, then just don't delete it, but try at least these two things. And then just click on clear data, and then when you've done that, change over to reset and clean up down here. And then you can also, first of all, click on restore settings to clear to their original defaults. Click on that and then just click on reset settings. And then the issue should be fixed. We can already close Chrome again. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.